So easy, even a dumb welder can do it.
That's right, man. All about having the right tools.
That ain't tight, is it?
Yeah, see that one's cut a little bit shorter.
Yep.
You just take that one out. There you go. This is gonna make your job a little faster, huh?
Man, 10 times faster.
All right, so Joe's got a bunch of these little blocks right here, 5/16, 18 holes tapped in it. And then he's got a bunch of these blocks here that got 3/8 holes to tap in there. And then he's got a bunch of these bars. Are these gonna be 5/16? These bars?
5/16, yep.
Okay. So you come down here to use the FlexArm. We'll probably have it done in about a half hour, huh?
Game changer. Game changer.
You know how many of these bars you got?
I think there's 16 of them, 16 of them.
Oh yeah.
No, 20 of them. 20 of them.
It'll get it done quick. All right. We're already done.
5 minutes.
All right, he's moving on to the bars. We're tapping 5/16, 18. They look like they're working out pretty good for him.
Working out great.
He's got some, we got 3 holes in there, and then he's got some, looks like 5 holes and some other ones there.
Or 6 of them.
These are the ones you already got done. That one took you like 5 minutes.
I know. That saved me half a day. Easy.
Good deal. How you like that machine?
I love it. It's a game changer. Beats turning it by hand.
Yeah, that's right, man. Our little setup's working pretty good for these flat bars. You can get 5 holes, and then we got to move it down to get this last one right there. All right, Joe's moved on to his other blocks here. These are 3/8/16. So he's sticking 2 at a time in the vise. And it's working out pretty good. That's these guys right here. Already got these done. I just told him once we get them done, we'll take them back there to the smart washer and just clean them off good. You still liking this machine?
Should save me a day labor at least.
Yep.
At least. I'd be doing it by hand back at the shop. I mean, it doesn't even.
And you've only had, I just put a gun tap in there for him. We were using a spiral flute, and it actually loaded up on one of them and it clutched out, which is a great feature that it won't break the tap. It'll actually spin in the tap holder before it breaks. Yeah, it's working out good, man.
Amazing.
And the other great thing about today, man, it's nice and cool outside. A little cold for Joe though. He don't like
for me.
He don't like the cool weather.
More of a tropical kind of person.
He likes it nice and hot. It won't be but another few minutes and he's gonna have this whole job done. I think we've been doing this for what, maybe an hour?
I think we started at 7:30.
7:30?
What time
It is 8:28.
is it? We've done all this.
your phone.
It
ringing,
is.
huh?
It never stops.
Do this outer one for me so I can see some chip action.
Do what?
Do this outer one. Yeah, that one right there. There we go. Now he's on the last hole for the square blocks. Working out real good. So we got all square blocks done. Now we just got to move on. We're going to do these guys right here. If I can pull one out. Probably set up some like little V block that he can use to quickly do these right here. All right, here's a little setup I got for him for the little round pieces. We just got a parallel, a little V block. And these are going to be tapped 3/8/16. And he's just got 20 of them, so we can quickly just do this little setup here, and they'll be done no time. These little V blocks were made by Albright, a tool maker. Gonna work out good, huh? Now I'll tell you another way you can do this, if you know, future reference, if you need to. I know you got that little lathe down there. You can chuck a bit in the lathe and just have your tap in the tailstock and just run it up.
And that's how I drilled the holes. Was with,
oh,
with
okay.
The lathe.
On the lathe.
I did center them up with the lathe.
All right. Well, we're almost done. It's about time to start washing these guys off. He's down to the final 3. Looks like you got this machine figured out.
I got
now,
it down now. If you ever hire, I'll come work for you.
If you ever get any jobs where you got to put some big tap holes in something,
yeah,
you got to bring them down here and let's use it for it, man.
Yeah, for sure. Last one. What we've been looking for.
Last one. Got to go the other way.
Did I hit the wrong button on the last one?
That's the one you were hunting. So we got an hour and 15 minutes.
Hour and 15 minutes for all these parts.
Hour and 15, and we might have a few more minutes because we're going to wash them off and get the oil off of them. And that's it, man. That worked out good for you.
It worked out great.
Well, Joe's heading back to his shop. Got all those bars tapped, all those little round pieces tapped, and he sure was happy that he could come down here and use the FlexArm and get those things done. He just doesn't really have a good setup down at his shop for machining. He does a lot of metal fabrication and does very little machining down there, so having a FlexArm just helped him out big time, and I was glad that he could put it to use and help him get that job done quick.